Go up there and face me. And do a front roll. No, Quentin, what are you doing, Ruby? Are you going to do one on the floor? Okay, do a front roll on the floor then. Go ahead. Remember, put your hands down. Hands on the ground. You can't stand directly below me, goofball. Stay there. Stay there. Okay. Stop it. You have to stand up first, remember? Okay, stand up. Hands on the ground. Tuck your head down. And push, push, push. Push, push, push. Oh, almost. You want to try again? Okay, stand up. Stand up. Hey, stand up. Okay, no, no, no. Go back over there. Okay, face me. Hands on the ground. Put your head down. Push, push. You crashed.